Hi everyone! Today we're checking out the brand new Elite Pack tray. Let us open the box and see what's inside. Now, let us see how to assemble it. Step 1. Install the base and attach the 4 support legs with wheels. You will need 4 screws and a large Allen key. Once the screws are in, make sure to tighten them with the Allen key. Step 2. Install the support tube. The wheelbase connector has 2 screws. Just tighten them with the medium Allen key. Step 3. Install the tray base. The tray base also includes 2 screws. Tighten them with the medium Allen key. Everything is fully assembled now. All that is left is to place the tray top, and you're all done. Additionally, we provide 2 magnetic screws for extra stability. When not in use, you can attach them to the base to prevent losing them.